feel like my life is taking a turn. I'm heading down a road I've never been on before. Nothing is familiar. Do I get off the road? Or do I keep riding?
You want to do the right thing by your family. Everything I do is to protect what we got. Everything I do is for you, don't you?
Yeah.
I don't want the ghost of John Teller poisoning him, ruining everything we've
We'll
built.
handle the little prince.
You may as well kill me. You're already dead.
We both know if we stay here, we'll end up like the two people we hate the most. And our boys will be destined to relive all of our mistakes.
I watched my best friend get his head caved in to protect what we have here. Walking away from my club is one thing. Letting it die, I can't. It's part of me.
Are you willing to let your family pay the price for your mistakes? Is that what a good man would do?
I know the turmoil you went with, Jax. I feel the pain you wake up with every day. And now you condemn your sons to that same torture.
Son of a
Stupid piece of shit! Stay away from me!
You can't sit in this chair without being a savage.
What happened to me?
No! Your boy's out of control! That was terror! Say it! Don't say you're sorry.
Jesus Christ, Josh!
I'll say it.
Love you, Daddy.
I love you, son.